Robin Moore and I first met over 20 years ago. We had nothing. We rented a facility, so we just basically grew incrementally. And Robin never gave up on the business, even during the tough early years. And he had the vision of what Henny could be. He felt this business could be something beyond incredible.
He is a leader, there's no question. And his leadership is not by force, it is not by fear, it is by bringing out the best in you, encouraging you. It's unlike any place that I ever worked in my career, where everybody in this group gets along. We care about each other, we work well together. It's the closest thing to, if they say, a family that you could actually see in a real working environment.
Teamwork at our company has always been of the highest priority to me. Making sure that we have no barriers between departments, that especially at our top level, our top managers are always working together. The core group is extremely close and very effective in what they do. The fact that we're able to work together instead of fight against each other just makes a better product at the end.
The God-honoring core value of our company is absolutely critical to the culture of who Hennig is. And it operates within Robin, and it operates within me, and many of our associates.
One of the things he wanted us to do is always be kind to other people. And you can see when you talk to him and you listen to him that the man's got something going on inside him that a lot of people don't have. And I would say that would be faith.
There was a recession that hit, and it was really quite challenging. We had just got the business up and running, and all of a sudden it was very difficult to get an order. And so we ran into a struggle right out of the gate to get business. Right around that time, I was diagnosed with throat cancer. The doctors felt pretty good that they could handle it through some very minor surgery or through radiation. After I was done, the cancer appeared to be gone. I was able to continue to work and everything looked pretty good, but it turned out that that was just the beginning of my struggle. Within a month or two, the cancer reemerged and spread very quickly. I had to really dig down into my faith because it got very serious very fast. At that time, they weren't sure that they could actually save my life. They immediately put me into surgery. The night after my surgery, I experienced complications that were life-threatening. I was awake for all of it. There was a lot of doctors in my room working on me. It got to the point where I was unsure whether I was going to survive it. At that point, God intervened for me. He reached down from heaven and pulled me out. It was really a life-changing experience, not only for my faith, but just for life in general. In this business, we struggle every day with problems and challenges, and sometimes the challenges are bigger than others. Through that experience and through gaining a level of faith that I had never experienced before, I've come to realize that we can overcome any obstacle, even in business or in life, and God is always there for us.
Robin and I both understand that we're here only for a moment, and we want to leave an impact in this world. During this trial that he went through, it actually increased his resolve to leave a lasting legacy here in this industry. I believed in Robin and his judgment. And so whenever he said, hey, we have an opportunity, I listened, and then in every case, we move forward with the next expansion, with the next endeavor in this GENSET business.
This expansion was a big leap for our company, but we have so many dreams and so many ideas for the future. We know that there are opportunities worldwide for this, and I believe by the time Dimar and I are ready to retire and give this all to someone else, there's a lot more that we can do before then. There's a lot of jobs that we can create, a lot of opportunity for our employees to grow and be proud of what they've done as well.
We want to leave a lasting legacy in our company. We would like the next generation and then the next generation to call Hennig their home. It's perhaps one of the greatest motivations that Robin and I could have. Someday, when we're no longer working in the business, we can drive by and we can say, look what was built. What a joy.